Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math. We're going to be solving these problems right here on the board. Okay, but just before we solve this, let me just give you a kind of review of what logarithm is all about. Okay, now you know about the natural logs. These are the logarithms that are having base 10. Okay, but then of course when you look at this, you can see that they have different basis. So this kind of logarithms, we actually use the laws of logarithm to evaluate it and then solve. Okay, just like this one is asking us to find the value of each of these logs right here. Okay, so but what is the idea of the log of a number? Let's say we want to find out the log of n, and then supposing it has a different base that is not 10. So basically what this is just telling you is to find a number, let's say x, for which when you raise a to the power of that number, it is actually going to give you n. So this is just what this stuff is all about. Once you have the log of a number and then you want to find out the value, you just need to transform the problem from a logarithm form to that of an index form. So that is the idea we're going to be using to solve all of this, and of course you see that it is just pretty much good. So let me just start. I'm going to solve about fourth here, and then you can solve the fifth one. So let us do that quickly. The first one is log 8 log 32 base 8. So let's just start by saying let log 32 base 8 be equal to, let's say, variable x. Okay, so and once we've set it to be a variable, we can now transform it to an index form. So we just say that 32 here is going to be equal to 8 power x. Okay, and of course once that is done, we can just go ahead to simplify this. You can actually write this 32 as 2 power 5, and then you can write 8 as 2 power 3. And then 3 multiplied by the power already there, you're going to be having 3x. So because the base is the same, we can actually go ahead to cancel that, and then you can see that 3x right here is equal to 5, which obviously this is going to be giving us the fact that x is equal to 5 divided by 3. This one will divide through by the coefficient of x. Okay, we just say let log 0.001 base 10 be equal to, this time around, let's say it's equal to b. Okay, and then of course we want to find out the value of b such that 10 power b will be equal to 0.001. okay, so how do we go about that? You can actually write this one right here as 10 power negative 1, 2, 3. Okay, so and of course you can see that they have the same base. You can go ahead to cancel that, and then b is equal to negative 3. Okay, so for c, so as usual we just say let log root 7 base 7 be equal to, say, m. And if that happens, we just want to find out the value of m such that 7 power m will be equal to root 7. And this is just fine because you can actually rewrite this stuff right here. So let me just write what I have here, 7 power m, and then we write this root 7 as 7 power 1 over 2. Okay, it is just same, so that this can actually cancel this since they have the same base, and then you equate to the power m is now equal to 1 over 2. So we have solved this, we've solved it, we've solved this, and then let's go ahead to solve d. Okay, so for d, what we have there is log 0.25 base 8. So we can just say let log 0.25 base 8 be equal to n. So we just want to find out the value of n such that 8 power n is equal to 0.25. And if that is the case, we can go ahead to write this stuff here as 25 divided by 100. Okay, and then 25 divided 7 here is 1, 25 divided 100 here is 4, and then we now have 8 power n is equal to 1 over 4. You can actually write this as 2 power 3 and then multiply by n, 3n is equal to we can write this as 1 over 2 power 2. Okay, so 2 power 3n is equal to, we can write all of these as 2 power minus 2. Okay, now they have the same base, we cancel them and then equate the powers. 3n is now equal to negative 2. Okay, and of course you can divide through by 3, and obviously n is equal to negative 2 over 3. So this is going to be the solution to each of these problems you are having right here. So you can just go ahead to find out what this is going to be, and then you can drop it in the comment box and let me see how you've been able to solve that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've got any value in this video, don't forget to like our video and then subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.